Hello everyone. So for any of you that lives in kind of tropical weather and you have some papyrus plants, it's those plants that looks very innocent when it's growing, fairly small, and then but it gets out of control fairly quickly. So I planted those as a single stem, like over there maybe 2-3 years ago, and it has grown out of control. So this video I want to just share some tips on how to remove it, because it's finally to a point that I cut down every papyrus plant over here near the front of my yard. So if you just cut down from the top of the stem, it's not gonna help much. You need to completely remove the roots. If the roots is not removed, those dead plants, wherever you cut down, it's gonna regrow. Okay, so you need to first chop them off to some sort of like a lower height over there. So what I used to chop off is just a hedge trimmer. This is the electric one from Ryobi, 40 volt. Very helpful tool to have, not only for this but also for trimming other kind of hedges. So, and it's not super expensive. And so once you have the top chopped off, that's where the fun begins, because the roots sometimes is stuck in there really good, and you just have to find a way to get it out. And what I found most useful is this little tool that I got from Home Depot. So the most effective area is this pointy end of this little thing. I don't know how do you call this, but the pointy area, whenever you do this and you just try to pry it out, and the roots would actually follow and be lifted up. So I just work from one end of the whole root system and just chop them down little by little, and eventually when you chop it down, you can pry them out in small pieces like that. So all those are small pieces from the original. That entire area is this root, the papyrus plant. And so that is my tip. I'm pretty sure many of you guys are very frustrated because this grows out of the control and then it gets really messy, and just like that. It's like I got a whole bunch chopped down. And so remove the roots is the essential thing to do. And what I found most useful is this little tool from Home Depot, the pointy end. So get that, get the hedge trimmer and a little card to haul your roots away, and you're pretty much golden. Okay, so questions, comments, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, hope you found this tip helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.